Get ready to dive into the future of laundry with our exclusive lineup of cutting-edge washing machines. From smart technology to sleek designs, we're taking laundry to the next level. Stay tuned as we explore the latest and greatest in washing machine innovation. You won't want to miss it. We're diving into the Maytag MHW5630HW front load washer, a top contender for the best washing machine of 2024. With its 4.5 cubic feet capacity, it handles large loads effortlessly, perfect for families or anyone with a lot of laundry. One of its standout features is the extra power button. This feature boosts stain-fighting power by combining hot and cold water in a single wash, tackling tough stains with ease. The 12-hour fresh spin option keeps clothes fresh and wrinkle-free by tumbling them for up to 12 hours after the wash cycle ends, ideal for those busy days when you can't transfer laundry immediately. If you're pressed for time, the quick wash cycle is your best friend, cleaning small, lightly soiled loads in just 15 minutes. Pair this with the quick dry cycle on a matching Maytag dryer for speedy laundry turnaround. The steam option is another highlight, penetrating deep into fabrics to lift stubborn stains effectively. Combine this with the extra power button for an unparalleled clean. Durability is a key feature of the Maytag MHW5630HW. Built with commercial-grade parts, it's backed by a 10-year limited parts warranty on the direct drive motor and stainless steel wash basket, ensuring long-term reliability. Finally, this washer is proudly assembled in the USA, reflecting a commitment to quality and American craftsmanship. So, if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and feature-rich washer, the Maytag is a fantastic choice. We're diving into the Whirlpool 5.2 cubic feet high-efficiency smart top load washer with the innovative 2-in-1 removable agitator. This washer offers a flexible laundry solution by allowing you to easily switch between an agitator for a deep clean and an impeller for bulky items and delicate fabrics. One of its standout features is the Load and Go trademark dispenser, which lets you fill detergent once and wash up to 20 loads without refilling. For tackling tough stains, the built-in pre-treat station plus comes with a dual-temperature faucet and a brush, making it easy to pre-clean clothes directly in the washer. This smart washer also connects to your home Wi-Fi, enabling remote control and monitoring from your smartphone. You can start, stop, and check the progress of your laundry from anywhere, making laundry day more convenient. The deep water wash option ensures heavily soiled clothes get thoroughly cleaned by automatically adding more water. Plus, the EasyView trademark glass lid allows you to monitor the washing process without opening the machine, adding both functionality and style to your laundry room. With a spacious 5.2 cubic feet capacity, this washer is perfect for large families or anyone with substantial laundry needs. Its Energy Star registered certification means it's energy efficient, saving you money on utility bills while being environmentally friendly. In summary, the Whirlpool 5.2 cubic feet smart top load washer is a versatile, powerful, and smart choice for your laundry needs. Check it out for a seamless blend of technology and performance. Introducing the GE Appliances Front Load Washer, a powerhouse designed for efficiency and convenience. This 5.0 cubic feet capacity washer is packed with advanced features to simplify your laundry routine and ensure your clothes come out fresh and clean every time. The standout feature of this washer is the Ultra Fresh vent system with odor block, which eliminates excess moisture to prevent odors, keeping your washer fresh. Complementing this is the Microban antimicrobial technology, integrated into key components like the gasket, dispenser, and draining system, offering continuous protection against bacteria and mold. Say goodbye to manual detergent measuring with Smart Dispense technology, which holds up to 32 loads of detergent and dispenses the precise amount needed for each load automatically. This smart washer also boasts a sanitize and allergen cycle, capable of eliminating 99% of common bacteria and allergens, making it perfect for households with allergy sufferers. For those with large laundry loads, the Dynamic Balancing Technology, DBT, ensures quiet operation by sensing and rebalancing uneven loads during the spin cycle. The more water option is ideal for heavily soiled items, adding up to 3 gallons of extra water for a thorough wash and rinse. This washer is also designed with convenience in mind. Its shallow depth of 32 inches makes it a great fit for tight spaces, such as closets or alcoves, without sacrificing capacity. When stacked with a compatible dryer, you can control the dryer directly from the washer's control panel, eliminating the need to reach the dryer's controls. Upgrade your laundry experience with the GE Appliances front-load washer and enjoy a blend of innovation, efficiency, and superior cleaning performance. Introducing the GE Appliances front-load washer, a powerhouse designed for efficiency and convenience. This 5.0 cubic feet capacity washer is packed with advanced features to simplify your laundry routine and ensure your clothes come out fresh and clean every time. The standout feature of this washer is the ultra-fresh vent system with odor block, which eliminates excess moisture to prevent odors, keeping your washer fresh. Complementing this is the Microban antimicrobial technology integrated into key components like the gasket, dispenser, and draining system, offering continuous protection against bacteria and mold. Say goodbye to manual detergent measuring with Smart Dispense technology, which holds up to 32 loads of detergent and dispenses the precise amount needed for each load automatically. This smart washer also boasts a sanitized and allergen cycle capable of eliminating 99% of common bacteria and allergens, making it perfect for households with allergy sufferers. For those with large laundry loads, the Dynamic Balancing Technology, DBT, ensures quiet operation by sensing and rebalancing uneven loads during the spin cycle. The more water option is ideal for heavily soiled items, adding up to 3 gallons of extra water for a thorough wash and rinse. This washer is also designed with convenience in mind. Its shallow depth of 32 inches makes it a great fit for tight spaces, such as closets or alcoves, without sacrificing capacity. When stacked with a compatible dryer, you can control the dryer directly from the washer's control panel, eliminating the need to reach the dryer's controls. Upgrade your laundry experience with the GE Appliances front-load washer and enjoy a blend of innovation, efficiency, and superior cleaning performance. Welcome to the future of laundry with the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 washing machine, where innovation meets customization. This machine is more than just a washer, it's a smart, stackable wonder. With a generous 5.3 cubic feet capacity, it can handle your largest loads with ease. And thanks to its stackable design, it saves valuable space in your laundry room, giving you more room to breathe. But what really sets the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 apart is its intelligence. With built-in AI OptiWash technology, it analyzes your laundry and automatically adjusts the settings for the best results every time. Say goodbye to guesswork. This machine knows exactly what your clothes need. And let's talk about steam. With steam cleaning technology, it penetrates deep into fabrics, removing stubborn stains and odors with ease. Your clothes will come out looking and smelling fresher than ever before. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 is its customization options. Available in a range of stylish colors and finishes, including brushed navy, it's designed to complement any decor. You can even mix and match with other appliances from the Samsung Bespoke lineup to create your own unique laundry suite. So say goodbye to boring, one-size-fits-all appliances and hello to the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 washing machine. The future of laundry is here, and it's tailor-made just for you.